Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Bria, but people typically call me Bree, and I have 4C hair, hence the name 4C Bree. The purpose of me creating this channel is to help those with 4C hair, or those who do 4C hair for a living, love, maintain, grow, and style their 4C hair. I say love their 4C hair because I didn't always love my 4C hair. I always saw, the 3A, the 3B hair with the loose curls on commercials and social media, and those were typically people's preferences. So it took me a while to muster up the strength to love my 4C hair, but I'm going to be helping you do the same. I say grow and maintain your 4C hair because there's a myth that 4C hair cannot grow, and it's not true. 4C hair can be thick, it can grow, and it can retain length. You just have to have love, patience, time, consistency, and a good regimen that works for you and your hair, because like mine, yours can grow as well. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. And I say style your 4C hair because I typically see people doing the wash and goes, the high top ponytails, and limiting themselves with other styles that their 4C hair can do. So I'm going to show you how to do cornrows. I'm going to show you how to do two-strand twists. I'm going to show you how to take down your two-strand twists and minimize frizziness. I'm going to show you how to do braids, how to plait your hair, how to get a silk press, how to blow dry your hair. I'm going to show you how all these styles can work on your 4C hair. And I'm going to be giving advice and reviews on products that work for me and my 4C hair to help guide and navigate you, whether you're new to being natural and you're transitioning, whether you made the big chop, whether you're bored and experimenting during this quarantine, or whether you're a stylist and you're trying to do better for your clients. So this concludes my video. I already know you guys liked it, and I foresee you subscribing to my YouTube channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications when I post so you can know whenever I post a new video. Remember, be kind to one another, love one another, and forgive each other. Bye.